Okay, so now you guys are going to see how to find the magnitude of the vector in the coordinate plane. So if we are given this vector, we're going to call it v, and it's got its initial point at some value. So we'll just say 3. I'm just going to give you some values just so you have something to rely on. 3, 5, and our terminal point is at 8, 17. Why not? Hopefully that works. I just made it up. We need to go ahead and find the magnitude. Once again, we are dealing with vectors, which is direction and distance. So a direction and magnitude. So we need to make sure that, we are finding this full piece. So it is found by doing the distance formula. If you look at it, it's basically like you're doing a Pythagorean theorem. That is really what the distance formula is. It just always makes sure that you get a positive answer out of it. Because if you look at this, that's exactly what the distance formula is, which is what the Pythagorean theorem is. So let's go ahead and just use this just because. So 8 minus 3 squared plus 17 minus 5 squared, and then obviously the last step is to square root it. So that's 5 squared, 25, plus 12 squared, 144, square root it, and that gives you 169. Ooh, that was a perfect number, and that gives you 13 to be your vector. Sweet. I wasn't expecting that to be a perfect answer. That worked well. Okay, so that's what you've got for this one. We're going to get into some more examples. I just wanted to give you an example as I explained it, as this one obviously is the Pythagorean theorem, but it's a little more application in the vectors.